good morning everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce to you a new member of the Peace and Order Committee at the Elders Club of Caypian Incorporated. So, meet Carlos Manalo, a proud member of Tech Incorporated who recently underwent a life-changing eye surgery thanks to the generosity of Bokal Allendale Baluyot. And let's hear from Carlos about his journey and how he plans to make a difference in our community. Stay tuned. Hello, Mr. Carlos Manalo. How are you po?
Hello, good morning po. I'm fine po. Okay naman po.
That's very good.
Good morning, everyone.
He is a proud member of the Elders Club of Caypian Incorporated and we have a few questions po for you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so ang unang tanong po, sir, is ano po ang reaksyon nyo tungkol sa inyong bagong tungkulin sa Peace and Order Committee?
Unang-una po, nagulat po ako sa message ni Vice ng naisip ko kaya hindi po kami sa kanto. And then later on, there was another message coming from our chair, si Mamsi. So, doon pa lang, napaisip na po ako na how was I was chosen for the position. Actually, I don't have any experience for that Peace and Order Committee. But, I was then before HOA officer in our HOA Phase 2B. I was the Vice President for a decade or so. So, back to your question. So, I texted back and replied to Mamsi na okay po, sige po. Thank you very much for the appointment. So, and then immediately after, I also texted a message our Vice President, Vice Lupi. That I am accepting the appointment.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Carlos. So, I have another question po. Ano po ang mga pangunahing layunin o prioridad niyo sa posisyong ito?
Well, as a newly appointed officer of the Peace and Order Committee, of course, I will initiate the seniors or the elders for the Peace and Order, keeping them alive or okay, especially on our General Meeting Assembly.
I see. Okay, thank you po, sir. Okay, sir. So, we have a third question. Maaari nyo bang ibahagi sa amin ang inyong karanasan sa operasyon? Operasyon sa mata, okay? At paano ito nagbago sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
Una po, wala po noong nagkaroon po ng free eye check-up. So, doon po sa ating office ng Tech. So, agad naman po akong tumalima na mag-register para sa listahan na yun na i-check-up so Mama Imelda Nawa. And after the operation, I felt po na malaki po yung pinagbago. So, yung glaring po ng mata ko lalo na sa kanan, siya nga po yung nauna na operahan. So, medyo luminaw po, but at the same time, I'm also under medication dahil yung pagpatakbo ng gamot po.
So, sir, ibig sabihin po, you were operated on both eyes on this particular operation that you underwent?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Right after, I think, after March 27, that was the first eye operation on my right. Then after a week or April 5, the second eye operation on my left, I was down. And yun, of course, we will be having an eye check-up this April 13 pa.
On the 13th, yes.
So we are still waiting for that follow-up check-up.
I see. So not only you,
yes,
you have companions. Okay, thank you, sir. So, maaari nyo bang isalaysay ang proseso bago ang operasyon? At ilang beses po kayo nagpa-check up bago nagdesisyon na magpatuloy sa operasyon?
Bali, actually, it was my dear wife, Odette Raymunda, who really convinced me to do the check-up and as well as operation kung may schedule na ako at masalang. So, kasi binibiro niya ako, parang natatakot po siya na baka mabulag daw ako.
Yes. Normal naman.
So, hindi ko na kami makikita mo yung kanyang kagandahan, diba? And so, right then, on the right after first week of our laboratory procedures that were given to us to be made, so we submitted the procedure, the lab results, and then we're scheduled for this lens measuring, the biometry through Ma'am Imelda.
I see.
I think it was the Lord's Hospital in May Kawayan. And then after that, Ma'am Imelda told us na we're going to have an operation on March 25, but it was rescheduled on March 27.
I see, okay.
That was the first operation in my right eye. And then after that, our follow-up was on April 5.
Yes.
Supposed to be our second eye operation sa left naman po, no? Sa left. And so, yun po, doon na rin po naganap yung after the operation, doon na rin po naganap yung pag-follow-up check-up ni Dr. Maduma.
I see.
At the Fatima University Medical Center in Valenzuela City.
Valenzuela. And she was the one who did the operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Dr. Maluma?
Dr. Maluma.
Yes. On both eyes po, sir?
Yes.
I see. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for that information. Okay, sir, moving on, sir. So, I have another question. So, sir, dahil libre ang operasyon na ito, may mensahe po ba kayo para kay Bukal Allen Dale Baluyot at ang mga opisyalis ng Elders Club of Kaipian Incorporated and all of the people who made this operation possible for you, sir?
Yes, of course, ma'am. First of all, we'd like to thank our board member Allen Baluyot, who spearheaded this Sagip Mata program or project. And through the coordinator, Ma'am Imelda Nava, and through or facilitated by the tech officers or administration. I remember it was our board chairman, Ma'am C,
from the Elders Club of
yes,
Kaipian Incorporated,
who announced the free checkup and the free operation. Then of course followed by our Vice President, Rodi Santos,
yes,
on the tech office. I really thank you all very much.
Okay, sir. That will be reaching out to them, sir, for sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we wrap up, sir, I'd like to ask one last question po for the viewers. So, the last question po is, ano ang plano nyong ibalik sa komunidad? Ngayong mas malinaw na ang inyong paningin at kasali na po kayo sa isang mahalagang committee, the Peace and Order Committee of the Elders Club of Kaipian Incorporated.
Well, una po, hindi pa man po ako na-appoint sa Peace and Order Committee. Hindi pa naman po ako or fully na nagpang-function kasi kaka-appoint ko pa lang po, no? Ang masasabi ko po, sa ngayon pa lang po, yung in terms of peace and order, sana po ma-maintain na po natin yung kaayusan, lalo-lalo na po sa ating mga seniors. Siguro, we are already seniors, hindi na po siguro tayo dapat maging ika nga pasaway. So, pardon me kung
yes.
joke na po. And then, yun nga po, katulad po ng mga nababanggit po sa GC pa lang po ng tech po, I am posting na paglilalo po at nagtatanong si Vice na sino ba yung gusto mong palista pa doon sa, lalo po sa area namin. Through the help of my wife, pinapatanong ko po at tinatanong namin kung baka meron pong interesado sa area namin, sa phase namin, phase 2B. So that's why meron na po akong nadalang dalawa, yung isa po yung ito ko, at yung isa po ng kapitbahay. And still, ako po ay, kasama ko po ang aking asawa, ay nagtatanong-tanong din po, nagtatanong-tanong pa rin kung meron pong interesado para sa free check-up ng ating mga mata, lalo na po sa case ng glaucoma or itong katarata. Mas lalo na yung about sa free operation. Ayun po.
Yes. Thank you very much, Mr. Carlos. And there you have it, folks. Mr. Carlos Manalo from the Elders Club of Kaipian Incorporated.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
Okay, so now we are joined by no other than the Vice President of the Elders Club of Kaipian Incorporated, Mr. Rodi Santos. He's one of the prime movers of this project of eye operation that was initiated by Bukal Allen Dale Baluyot. So, Sir Rudy, good morning, sir.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Yes. Would you like to say a few words po, sir?
Unang-una po, madam, nais po na may magpasalamat yung opisyalis ng Elders Club kay Bukal Allen Baluyot dahil kundi po sa kanya, hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng eye check-up. At so far po, marami na po tayong naipa-opera na libre sa pamamagitan po niya. At talaga naman po na ito po ang ating kasama si Mr. Carlos. Siya po ay isa doon sa mga recipient po ng eye check-up at the same time doon po sa operation. Pero meron pa po tayong ano po dito, apat pa na nagkaroon po ng eye check-up na sa ngayon po kasabay po ni
Kasabay.
Carlos na na-opera at naitanong naman po namin sa kanila is okay naman po ang resulta ng pag-operasyon sa kanilang mata. Ang mga pangalan po nila, pwede po mag-itin.
Yes, go ahead plus sir, that would be good.
Ang isa po sa mga nagkaroon po ng operation sa mata ay si Madam Betsaida Magpayo, Leticia Ponce,
Okay.
Trinidad Padua at si Corazon Enera.
Uh-huh.
Bukod po kay Sir Carlos Manalo po.
I see.
Kaya sana po yung iba po natin mga member dyan ng TEC na kailangan po magpa-check up ng mata, huwag po silang maiya na pumunta doon sa opisina or magpalista para po magawa natin ng paraan para po sila maoperahan, mapa-check up kung talagang kailangan po talagang operahan. Wala po siyang bayad. Ang kailangan lang po natin kailangan meron po kayong PhilHealth.
PhilHealth lang po.
Opo. Yun lang po ang kailangan. At kung wala naman po kayong PhilHealth, pwede po tayo magpag-ugnayan kay Madam Imelda Nava para mabigyan po kayo ng papeles para po hindi na kayo kukuha ng PhilHealth. Sa senior lang po yun para hindi na po kayo kumuha ng PhilHealth na magbayad pa. Sila na po yung nagawa ng paraan, pero meron lang pong konting proseso.
I see. So, itong si Madam Imelda Nava,
Opo.
How do you contact her, sir?
Meron po siyang telephone number na binigay namin po na kila Sir Carlos at saka meron din po siyang Facebook page.
I see.
Tsaka kung kailangan po talaga na halimbawa pag gusto talaga niyo magpa-check up, magpa-opera, just drop lang po kayo sa ating GC, sa TEC. Tsaka po, hindi po magiging posible ang nito kung hindi din po sa ating mahal na Board of Director, Chairman, si Gloria Gonzales po.
Yes.
Siya po yung talagang nagpursige. At tsaka po yung ating Presidente. Ako po, Vice President, at tsaka lahat po ng officialis po ng Elders Club po.
Yes.
Talagang po pinursige po namin yan para sa kapakanan po ng ating mga member ng TEC.
Yes.
Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Gusto ko palang idagdag na yung pong eye check-up na to ay isa pong project ni Vocal Alan Ray Baluyot. Ito po yung tinatawag na eye check-up caravan. Sila po ay pumupunta-punta po doon sa mga lugar na talagang nangangailangan po talaga ng eye check-up sa mata, sa mga elders at saka sa mga komunidad na talaga kailangan po na magpa-ayos sa mata po.
I see. And sir, alam niyo ba if this is a new project of Vocal Allen or has this been ongoing long before?
Matagal na po niya project yan since para po nung naupo siya. At saka hindi lang naman po ay check up sa kanya po. Siya rin po yung nagbigay sa atin ng wheelchair at saka tungkod para sa ating mga elders.
I see.
Opo.
Okay.
Naging po kami sa kanya ng yung wheelchair na yan, hindi naman niya po tayo pinaiya at binigay naman po niya agad.
Yes.
Kaya ang elders po, officer at saka member, nagpapasalamat po talaga kay Vocal Alan.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much, Sir Rudy, Mr. Carlos. Thank you very much. Before we wrap up today's vlog, I'd like to take a moment to celebrate this wonderful news in our community. I'm thrilled to announce that Mr. Carlos Manalo has joined the Peace and Order Committee, bringing his expertise and dedication to fostering a safer environment for us all. But that's not all. I want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Vocal Allen Dale Baluyot for generously sponsoring the eye surgeries for those in need. This incredible initiative, made possible by the Elders Club of Caypian Incorporated, under the visionary leadership of Board of Directors Chairwoman Gloria S. Gonzalez, better known as Mamsi, and of course, the Executive Committee of TEC Inc., truly embodies the spirit of compassion and community support. Thank you, Mr. Manalo, for your commitment to our safety, and thank you, Vocal Baluyot, for your kindness and generosity. Together, we're making a positive impact in our community. Until next time, stay safe and take care. This is Judy Perio Fabian on Voice of Impact.